Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on floating notifications on Samsung phones. So now without any further ado, let's begin with the steps. So first of all, launch settings on your Samsung device. Now once you're here, simply tap on the option of notifications. Here we go. With that, simply scroll down below and select the option of Advanced Settings. With that, you'll come to this page. Now, you'll see the option of Floating Notifications, which has been set to bubbles in my case. Now, if you tap on this option, right here, you'll see various options on your screen. Now, if you select this option of Off, your floating notifications will be turned off. Now, if you tap on this option of bubbles, below your screen, you can see a short animation-like feature that will show you how this floating notification option works. Now, in case if you tap on the option of Smart Pop-up View, like this, and if you want to select the option of Included Apps, you can select any of these applications that you want this type of floating notifications for. So let me select one of these options. You can select as much as many applications you wish to. So I'm going to select these two apps and let's go back. And now this floating notifications feature has been turned on for these two applications in case of Smart Pop-up View. So that's how you can simply turn on floating notifications on your Samsung devices. And this is it for today. If you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.